Since a lot of people will be watching this video, I want you to introduce yourself. Let's know your name, where you are from, and what you do.
Okay, yeah, my name is Temitope. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a student.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all about me. And lately I've been publishing on Amazon KDP.
Okay. For how long now?
Uh I think I started at the end of 2024.
Okay.
So yeah, I started at the end of 2024. I bought a course in 2024 December, towards the end of 2024. Then I scaled through 2025, and yeah, that was it.
Okay. So when do you come across like ValueBank?
Okay, yeah. About that, I would say I was actually just I was fortunate to just jam your channel on YouTube, because the course I first bought in 2024 had around 12 videos, and the content of the course itself was not. In fact, I don't even know if I have access to the course again. It's not something that is valuable like that. So
Okay.
I end up getting two of my accounts terminated with that course, because I was messaging the coach, and he wasn't responding well and all of that. So at the end of the day, my account was terminated. So out of frustration, I just said, okay, let me just go and try YouTube and see what's going on. And then I joined your free Telegram group from there.
Okay.
Then after that, I think I was in the group for a while. I was watching the way things are, and I just said, okay, let me just give this thing a try again.
Yeah.
So that was when I messaged you. Then I paid for the 0 to 0 course, and I joined it. Yeah, that was it. And since then, when I bought the course, I realized I needed to unlearn a lot of things.
Okay.
So I had to unlearn a lot of things, relearn different things again, and I took my time. It took me almost 2 months watching the videos. I have not even rushed into creating accounts and all of that. So, and after I watched the videos, then I created accounts. I didn't use my profile again during that period.
Okay.
So, and since then, I have been publishing, and that was 2025, right?
Yeah.
Up till like, let's say, middle of 2025, I have not even started making sales then on the account. So towards the third quarter of 2025, then sales started coming in little by little, and I needed to improve my profile, like the author, the niche I was working on, and
Yeah.
author profile. I had to do a lot of optimization and all of that. So since then, it's been good. Yeah.
Okay. So what were you doing before KDP?
What I was doing? No, I was studying.
Okay. Have you done any online business before you started doing KDP?
Okay, online business. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've ventured into different things online. I have traded crypto before. I've traded forex. I've done freelancing, because I'm an email marketer as well. So I work
Okay.
on Upwork. So Upwork itself is sometimes struggle. So different things. So, but so far I think I like this Amazon model. I used to tell people Amazon is like a large ecosystem. Like a whole lot of things can go on Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
Okay. So when did you get your big break? Like the month you made the highest money with Amazon?
I would say it's I would say it's last month.
Okay.
Yeah, we're in July now.
Yeah.
Yeah, last month is just thousand and I think 1,260 thereabouts. Yeah, that's just, and before that month I closed. The previous month before that was I closed around 800 and something. But
Okay.
since then, since the breakthrough has come, the account has been growing well. So in fact,
Was
most
there was there
important thing I think
was there
is to
anything you
grow
did was
better.
there anything you did different before you started seeing this result?
I didn't hear you come again.
Was there anything you did different You said sales start coming, little by little. What was that thing that you did that skyrocketed your sale to what it is now?
Okay. What I did different. I think there is nothing that I really did different other than the things that are in the course. I used to tell people is just make quality books and
Okay.
don't leave anything untouched. If it is A plus content, if it is, in fact, I've never even run ads. I don't even know how to. I've not even tried running ads before. So if it
Okay.
is A plus content, if it is making quality book cover, and if it is making book description, then I noticed another thing is okay. Me, I got to discover that separately. Like the way people write their book description
Okay.
is also important. Hello, can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, yeah. So the way people write their book description, because attention is when you grab attention of anybody that wants to even buy your product or book, you have
Yeah.
to the first few sentences of the book description. Anybody that reads your book description, they should be hooked with it before they click read more, because that wrap between before read more is very important.
Yeah.
So I always try and optimize even the part before read more and the part that comes below that. And obviously, definitely this thing, what's it called? The auto profile has to be the auto profile has to be well optimized. Like you have to
Okay.
position yourself as like a professional in whatever niche you are doing.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I think that's just it. Then my books are quality. I do very good cover design, and I think yeah, that's just it. Nothing really special. Just the quality books.
Okay. So if there is anyone who is watching this video right now and they are struggling with their book publishing business, if there is one advice you want to give to them that can turn around their business, what would that be?
I didn't hear you.
If there is anyone who is currently watching this video, because a lot of people will watch it, the person is a publisher like
Okay.
you that is struggling with their business, if there is a list of advice that you want to give to them to turn around their publishing business, what would that be?
Hmm. The advice I will give is don't stop publishing. Just keep on. You will not even know the book that will blow your account
Okay.
because you don't know which book is going to blow your account. So just keep on publishing quality books. Emphasis on that quality books, and don't leave anything untouched.
Touched.
If it is A plus content, everything has to be quality because there are a lot of people that want to make money on Amazon.
Yeah.
So your book is not the only book that is there. You just have to keep on publishing quality books and just do your best. That's it.
Okay, that's actually great. That's actually great. Have you thought about running ads?
Yeah, I have think about it, but then I don't want to venture into running ads now because the niche I'm working in is there are more bigger brands in the niche. So it's like me running ads against big names. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like
Yeah.
if let's say I'm running
Are,
ads, it's
are you
like me
afraid? Are you
competing.
afraid to? Are you afraid to compete with them?
No. I'm not afraid to compete with them because let me give you an example, an instance now. Let's say my competitors, the people that are in the niche, let's say they are having reviews of 1,000, 2,000,
Yeah.
and me as an independent author, I don't probably I don't even have any review at all. But okay, lately I've been getting positive reviews too, like
Okay.
very good reviews. So
Which means
that's
you
why
are
I
you
don't feel
are you
like
are really doing
me.
a
I don't want to
quality
run
book.
ads now.
You are really doing a
What's it?
quality. I say you are really doing a quality book.
Yeah, exactly. I'm already doing quality book, and my book itself is ranking behind beside those big names. You
Okay.
understand? If their book is coming number one, my book can be on number two, number three. So running in the search, so running ads again is just like I don't know. I see it like maybe a waste of money.
Okay.
Yeah, except yeah, that's just it.
Okay. 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 I get. So if you have to rate the course, the 0 to hero course from a scale of 1 to 10, what will you rate it?
On a scale of 0 to 10,
Yes, 1 to 10.
0 to 10 small boss. 0 to 10 small. No, 0 to 10 small. You say 0 to 1,000. Now the cost is honestly the cost from the cost is just 100%. I don't know. From the group that I came, the previous group that I was in, the first course I bought, I've even brought in people from the group self, like 2 or 3 people. They've even joined because I used to tell guys when they are complaining that all these things you guys are complaining about, you just need to learn and unlearn so many things.
Yeah.
So 0 to 0 courses now, you've done a good job, boss. It is. I'll encourage anybody that wants to start out with KDP to just key in and get the course.
Okay, thank you so much for actually having this section with us. Now, the reason why I do this is to encourage others who wants to venture into like the book publishing to, you know that this business is a working business and it's a business that is changing people's life, especially if you know what you are doing. Now,
Exactly.
yeah, compared to what you will be earning before you join the business and compared to what you are earning now and the potential of what you could earn in the future, you see that just acquiring the skill of publishing is changing your life. You
Yeah,
get?
yeah.
Yeah, because imagine you doing 1,000 today and you keep on putting quality books, there is a time that will come that you will be sure hitting $10,000 in a month.
Definitely.
There are students that have done it in the ZTH course, so it is not
Yeah.
impossible. Yes. So thank you so much for having this section with us. I really do appreciate. And thank you so much also for your
Yes,
advice
you're
that you're
welcome.
giving to
It's
them.
my pleasure.
Yeah. So have a nice day.
Yes.